If a trademark is already registered, can I register it? This is a question I'm often asked, and unfortunately, it depends. Hi, I'm Jason Rosenblum. I'm an intellectual property attorney protecting my clients' products, their brands, and businesses from getting ripped off. And as you can see on the screen here, I looked up Delta registered trademarks. Delta, mostly you know it for the airline, but it's also used by a faucet manufacturer, a medical glove company, a soccer ball company, for books, for alcohol. So the analysis for whether or not you can also file for a trademark is called likelihood of confusion. And what that means is, would consumers be confused between your goods and those of the other? In the case of Delta, there's a huge difference between an airline and a faucet company, or a medical glove company, or a book company, or a wine company, that they can coexist without consumers being confused. That being said, is in some industries, there might be a closer existence that wouldn't allow for that. So when you're looking at trademarks, when you're doing a search to see if something's already registered, it's not just, oh, does someone have that mark already? You also always have to look at the goods or services. And that would be something you'd find that, just to show you where that would be, when you do a search on your own on the USPTO. Computer's being a bit slow. That'll be under here. So although the class matters, it's not as important as the actual description of the goods or services that are already registered, and then how related your goods or services are to those. Now, there's other factors that are also considered, but those are really the two main things: the mark itself and the goods or services. So when you're looking and considering whether or not you should move forward with a trademark, whether or not you should even use this for your potential brand, that's what you have to consider. And of course, if you're not sure, I just tell people, if there's any thought that they could be connected, move on to your next option. If you're in love with it and you want to really know, feel free to always reach out to us. We're at jhrlegal.com or 888-666-0062, and we can discuss with you how to work with us to clear a mark for use and register it. Thanks.